I have been working in the IT business for many years, and during this time, I've gone from developing small startups to creating large-scale projects and back. I implemented simple and complex solutions, including in areas like AI and Web3. In this video, I'll talk about how to approach marketing in IT products, how to attract users, and eventually scale your business. You will learn how a single successful integration with a platform or partner can bring you tens of thousands of users, and what you need to do to achieve such results. Hi, you are on the Analog Vision channel, and today we'll be discussing in detail the importance of the marketing component of IT products. It's no secret that we have entered the era of the attention economy, and those who can successfully capture and hold attention are the ones who hold the world. Hit that like button right away so you don't forget later when I explain the intricacies of creating the best content for your project's audience. I have been involved in the creation of many IT startups, many of which were promoted through influencers, now stylishly called Web3 KOLs, Key Opinion Leaders. Our SMM department's job was to find and select bloggers, verify the quality of their content, create a technical brief for advertising, check its release, and fine-tune the sales funnel. In addition to this, we have been very successful in, and continue to focus on, targeted advertising. Given all this experience, I can highlight 3 rules for effective project promotion. 1. The ad must solve the audience's problem. 2. The ad must be clear and speak audience's language. And 3. The ad must be in the context of the audience's life. In addition, the ads can generally be divided into 2 categories: creatives for targeted advertising and creatives for influencers. Let's dive deeper into each of these 3 rules. When promoting through influencers, it's crucial to consider the context of both the influencer's life and their followers. If you're advertising on the blog dedicated to programming, the audience is highly likely to be tech-savvy. However, if you decide to buy an ad space on this blog for a crypto trading app, the results will be significantly worse. And this example highlights the importance of context. Let's model a situation. The influencer travels a lot, and our product is a crypto exchange. So, we integrate the crypto exchange's ad into the influencer's everyday content. For instance, we could create a scenario where selling cryptocurrency through our exchange is portrayed as much more economically efficient than using traditional banking. The influencer could simply sell their crypto on the local P2P market at a much better rate than if they used banking system. In other words, we seamlessly adapt the ad integration to the influencer's current life situation and context. When advertising through influencers, we tailor the message to fit the influencer's life situation and audience. However, in targeted advertising, the ad acts as an audience filter. It attracts only those for whom the topic is truly relevant. Yes, targeting settings are important, but the ad itself is far more effective at filtering out those who need your offer here and now, aligning with the internal dialogue of your target audience. Let me give an example. A few years ago, my cat got seriously sick, and while working online, my attention was entirely drawn to ads promoting cat medications and related products. Naturally, before my cat got sick, I didn't notice those ads, and after my cat recovered, I stopped paying attention to them again. My attention was focused only during the period when the situation was happening. This brings us to the main takeaway of targeted advertising. If the audience has a problem, they will latch into your ad and buy your product or service. Otherwise, there won't be any leads. I think it's no secret that different people refer to the same things in different ways. Moreover, we have different associations in our minds. Let's give an example. Close your eyes and imagine your dream transport. I imagined a big black SUV. Somebody else would imagine a private jet. And what did you imagine? Maybe a super yacht? Let me know in the comments. This example illustrates the next point perfectly. When you speak the language of your target audience, want it or not, you always evoke some particular associations that come to their mind when you mention a particular problem. And you either gain clients or you don't. Yes, it's really that simple. In 2016, at the dawn of blockchain, everybody thought it was just another Ponzi scheme. Executing a simple transaction in Bitcoin required a fundamental knowledge of cryptography and computer science. But shortly after, major crypto exchanges like OKX and Binance emerged, investing in user interfaces and making them look as established as traditional banking portals. And this changed the association in mass minds from a Ponzi scheme to a serious investment instrument. This seemingly small step led to the first wave of mass adoption in cryptocurrency and literally opened up a new market. Let me give an example from our own experience. One of our clients was launching a crypto exchange. He was confident that people wanted to trade cryptocurrencies similar to traditional exchanges. However, when we conducted surveys and A/B tests, we discovered that users just wanted a platform where they could buy and sell USDT to send and receive from one another. We adjusted the targeting and changed the ads to reflect the user's needs. As a result, the client's crypto exchange saw explosive user growth, while the cost per lead dropped significantly. However, it's essential to realize that ads are somewhat of a lottery, since market narratives and trends change at lightning speed. Therefore, it's crucial to test several ads simultaneously to capture different audience segments and stay on the cutting edge. Like a surfer riding the wave. Let's say you're selling programming courses. Your audience can be diverse, from students to stay-at-home moms. If you use the same ad for everyone, the results will be weak at best. For each segment of the audience, you need to create unique ads that speak their language and solve their specific problems. One of our software cases was a product for finding therapists. If we had used a generic ad like find a therapist in 20 minutes and have sessions online, we would have ended up with very expensive leads, around $3, $5, or even $10. However, when we address specific problems, such as how to break free from a toxic relationship, or how to stop being afraid of your partner, or how to set boundaries, we spoke in the language of the audience. These nuances in wording directly impacted the final cost per user and helped us optimize the business process. Thus, the third takeaway can be summarized as follows. It's crucial to speak the audience's language and tailor the ad to it. Ad content is the first thing your audience notices. A good ad attracts target clients who are ready to pay, while a bad ad drains the budget without bringing in sales, and in some cases even causes aversion. Always test multiple ads and adapt them to fit your projects. I hope the 3 rules outlined above will help you shape your own advertising strategy, allowing you to capture and retain attention on your project. Additionally, you can always reach out to our company, and we'll do everything we can to improve your project. You have been watching the Anala Vision channel. Like and subscribe to keep watching high-quality content on building and promoting IT products.